Daddy,
Yeah.
this hot.
We just got attacked by a... Thank you. That wasn't so hard.
Where did you come from? My father you 20 years ago.
What if there was a way we could both get what we want?
You too? You better back off, friend. I think you look
What?